strategic overview of Apple Inc. My name is Mukesh Shah, and my subject, the course which I'm doing, is Strategic Management in Globalized Economy. Professor is Dr. Bindu Tiwari. Introduction and overview. To date, Apple Inc. is the name, the mark, and the global technology company which has been associated with innovation, prime products, and a lean integrated ecosystem. This strategic plan project analyzes and presents the long-term competitiveness and position of Apple in the global economy, covering the plan analysis concerning market industry and financial are presented together with the SWOT and VRIO framework, covering the plan analysis concerning market industry and financial are presented together with SWOT and VRIO framework. Next strategy objective are formulated so that Apple become more realistic and innovative and sustainable in today's ever changing market. The general objective to is to strengthen Apple position is as a market leader and remain adaptable in the face of global economic changes. Market and industry analysis. Apple market strategic works through the 7 P's of marketing, customer segmentation, and cementing a digital presence. Customer segmentation indicates that Apple penetrates the premium demographic with an inclination towards loyalty and retention. Perhaps competitor analysis might, for instance, shows that Apple find its competitor in Samsung, Google, and Huawei, with differentiation being based on the ecosystem strengthen trends such as AI sustainability and global digital transformation inform the company future through strategy. This industry analysis suggests opportunities in emerging market but also threat from supply chain disruption and regulations. This is a chart with market industry analysis where marketing, customers trends and competition. It shows the trend. Financial analysis. Apple is working very strong revenue wise with a revenue of USD over 380 billion generated each year. Plus, it is profitable almost all of time. The company enjoyed healthy income net figure and kept an ample amount of money in the bank account to ensure continued liquidity and financial stability. EPS projection indicates steady growth that will be sustained by innovation and service based revenues occurring on a recurring basis. This financial analysis shows Apple to have a remained realistic to market volatility through diversification and cost efficiently. This way, Apple is in position to sustaining long-term growth while also investing in research, sustainability, and world broad general expansion. Here is a chart where you can see the ratio for year 2023 value and the benchmark sites. Current ratio is 0.88, slightly below 1, but except due to the strong cash flow. Net profit margin 25.30%, outperform most competitor. Return on equity is 155%, driven by high net income and share repurchase. Depth of equity ratio is 1.04, moderate leverage, use efficiently. Earning per share is $6.13, beat analyzed forecast dis, despite weaker guidance. Strategic recommendation. Apple should explain investment in renewable energy and sustainable supply chain practices to sustain brand trust. Short-term goals are to strengthen digital service and augment AI-driven product feature, to fork new demand. Long-term objectives seeks entry into the emerging market with affordable line while holding the premium brand. Strategies recommended point to leveraging Apple Vrio-based weaknesses like brand value and ecosystem integration. By allowing these action, Apple can further certain weakness with avoiding threats and exploiting global opportunities. Implementation plan and KPIs. Implementation entail resource allocation to activities and activities of R&D, sustainability program, and retailing expansion worldwide. These key times shall find digital serving growth in short term 1 to 2 years and global market expansion in long term, that is 3 to 5 years. Some performance indicator would be revenue growth, market share, customer satisfaction scores, and ESG compliance metrics. Monitoring financial health, supply chain resilience, and customer loyalty will provide sufficient information to fine tune the plan. Risk includes global economy instability and competitive innovations. Therefore, such risks will be handled with agility and investment. Conclusion and the next step. Apple's strategic objective remain geared towards innovation, sustainability, and global adaptability capacity in a dynamic environment. The company has an extremely strong financial base as well as an extremely unique ecosystem that empowers it to implement its strategic. Next step are to strengthen market presence in several areas, keep MBA sustainable work program moving ahead and go after every emerging opportunity. By keeping track of KPIs, Apple remain on course towards accomplishing in short and long term goal. Upon completion of this plan, Apple will be on its way to cementing its leadership positions and maintaining growth in the world economy. These are the some references, you can go through it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Professor, and thank you, everyone.